Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment. Next, ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight and the steering wheel is centered. This alignment is vital for proper reinstallation. Finally, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, a 22mm socket, and a torque wrench, to be fully prepared for the task ahead. Now let's safely remove the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes, one on each side of the steering wheel. Insert a flathead screwdriver into these holes to release the retaining clips holding the airbag in place. Gently pull the airbag forward, then carefully disconnect the two electrical connectors on its back. Remember to store the airbag face-up in a secure, cool spot, away from any potential heat sources, for maximum safety. With the airbag safely out of the way, it's time to remove the steering wheel itself. First, use a 22mm socket to loosen and remove the large center nut that secures the wheel. Before pulling the wheel off, make a small alignment mark on both the steering wheel and the steering column spline. This ensures your new wheel will be perfectly straight. Now, gently pull the steering wheel straight off the column, applying even pressure. Finally, let's install your new steering wheel. Carefully align the new wheel with the alignment marks you made on the steering column spline, ensuring it's perfectly straight. Reinstall the large center nut and torque it down to 36 foot-pounds for secure fastening. Next, reconnect the two electrical connectors to the airbag module and firmly push the airbag back into its housing until the clips engage. Reconnect your car's battery and thoroughly test all steering wheel functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.